Hello student of class 9th. Today I am going to solve exercise 2.3 and also factor theorem which is related to the factorization of polynomial. Okay, so please friends, now you get this topic. This is the chapter number 2, polynomials. In this chapter you have already studied about remainder theorem and types of polynomials. But today I will solve exercise 2.3. Okay. Now look at the first question of this exercise. In this question, first you find the remainder whether when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by number first x plus 1 and number second that is x minus 1 upon 2. Okay friends, so first of all we look at the solution of question number first. The given polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. And x plus 1 and zeros of x plus 1 is minus 1. While comparing the given polynomial x plus 1 by 0, we have x is equal to minus 1, then it is said to be the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay. Now putting the value of x in the given polynomial, putting the value of x that is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial, then we have whole cube of minus 1 plus 3 into square of minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, friends, you know that the cube of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 and the square of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Okay, so it is equal to 3 into plus 1. Again, this is the multiplication of plus 3 and minus 1. We know that minus into plus is equal to minus and 3 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 1. Okay, now it is equal to minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 and plus 1. So here we can see that minus 1 cancel with plus 1 and minus 3 cancel with plus 3. So at last we find the value of the given polynomial is equal to 0. Okay, so it is also known as the remainder of the polynomial. Okay, when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1, at that times we have 0 and the remainder. So this is the remainder. This is the required remainder. Okay, so this is the answer of question number first. Similarly, you can solve the second part of this question. In this question, the divisor is x minus 1 upon 2. While comparing on x minus 1 upon 2 by 0, we have x is equal to plus 1 upon 2. And on putting the value of x in the given polynomial, at that times we find the remainder, okay, which is the required remainder. Clear? So friends, I hope you will understand the solution of this question. So next we will come to the new topic, that is factorization of polynomial. So friends, let us now look at the situation of example 10 above more closely. It tells us that since the remainder q, which is minus 1 upon 2, is equal to 0 into 2t plus 1 is a factor of qt, that is equal to 2t plus 1 into gt. For some polynomial gt, this is a particular case of the following theorem. Okay, so students, our next topic is factor theorem. This is the new topic, factor theorem. Okay, and this topic is belong to the new exercise, that is 2.4. So first of all, you look at the theorem. If px is a polynomial of degree n, which is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and small a is any real number. Small a is any real number then number first, x minus a is a factor of, so x minus a is a factor of px if pa is equal to 0. Okay, and case number 2, if pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of, px. Okay, so this is known as factor theorem. In this theorem, px is a polynomial of degree n, which is equal, whose degree is equal to or greater than 1, and here small a is any real number. Then if x minus a is said to be the factor of px if pa is equal to 0, and case number 2, if pa is equal to 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial, that is px. Okay students, तो स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं कि इस फैक्टर थ्योरम में हम मान लेते हैं कि px ऐसी कोई एक पॉलिनोमियल है जिसकी डिग्री 1 या 1 से ज़्यादा हो और स्मॉल a कोई रियल नंबर है, तब हम ये कह सकते हैं कि x माइनस a उस पॉलिनोमियल px का एक फैक्टर होगा यदि x के प्लेस पर अगर हम a को रिप्लेस कर दें और इसकी वैल्यू 0 के बराबर आ जाए तो। ओके, यानी हम कह सकते हैं if pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px, and if pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. Okay, there is two condition, but both are as similar, but there are some difference. Okay friends, so everyone, now look at the solution of proof of factor theorem. By the remainder theorem, px is equal to x minus a into qx plus pa, that is the remainder. Okay, now case number first, if pa is equal to 0, then px is equal to x minus a into qx, which shows which shows that x minus a is a factor of px. Okay, students, now look at the first condition. If pa is equal to 0, then px is equal to x minus a into qx, because you have already known that about division algorithm. In division algorithm, dividend is equal to the product of quotient and divisor plus remainder. Okay, so according to this remainder theorem, we can write px is equal to x minus a into qx when remainder is equal to 0. Okay, in this case we can say that x minus a is a factor of px. Okay, this is the proof of factor theorem according to remainder theorem. Now point number 2, since x minus a is a factor of px, then px which is equal to x minus a into gx, where gx is a polynomial of degree 1. Okay, for same polynomial px. Okay, so for same polynomial gx, in this case pa is equal to a minus a into ga, that is equal to 0. Okay, so students, now you can see the proof of factor theorem. According to factor theorem, we can write p is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px, and if p is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px, and we can say in other words, if x minus a is a factor of px, then p a is equal to 0. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे दो बातें हैं. यदि x माइनस ए उस पॉलिनोमियल px का फैक्टर होता है तो इस केस में हमें रिमाइंडर 0 प्राप्त होगा, मींस p a की वैल्यू 0 आएगी. और दूसरी, इसी को हम दूसरे शब्दों में इस तरह से भी कह सकते हैं, यदि p a बराबर 0 तो इस केस में x माइनस ए उस px पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर होगा. ओके, तो दिस इज द प्रूफ ऑफ फैक्टर थ्योरम. ओके, so according to this theorem, now you can simplify the following word problem questions which is given in next exercise. Okay, now look at one more example which is related to factor theorems. Now look at the example. In this example, you check whether the given whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. Okay students, now look at the example number first. Check whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. तो students, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको चेक करना है कि x plus 2, x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 और x plus 2x plus 4 का फैक्टर है या नहीं है, इसे आपको चेक करना है. So now look at the solution of this example. So students, while we checking the factor of the given polynomial, so at that times we can use factor theorem to find the remainder which is equal to 0 if x plus 2 is a factor. Okay, so according to factor theorem, if x plus 2 is a factor of given polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, then x plus 2 is equal to 0 and we have x is equal to minus 2. Now putting the value of x in this polynomial, if p is equal to 0, then we can say that this is the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, now on putting the value of x in this polynomial, this is the x cube, so at the place of x if we put minus 2, it becomes cube of minus 2 plus 3 into square of minus 1, okay, plus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. Now on simplification we get minus 8 and plus 3, and this is plus 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 5 plus 6. Okay, so finally we get minus 8 minus 5 which is equal to minus 13. Okay, and now add it plus 9 in it, so at that times we get minus 4, that is the result of PA. Okay, so here the value of PA is not equal to 0, so we can say that x plus 2 is not a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so x plus 2 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay, this is the answer. So students, in this question you can check one more polynomial, that is 2x plus 4. Now you can check x plus 2 is a factor of the second polynomial, that is 2x plus 4. Now look here, how can we check this is a factor of the polynomial 2x plus 4 or not? Now look here. So here, if x plus 2 is a factor of 2x plus 4, then PA means the value of A is equal to minus 2. So P minus 2 is equal to 0. While putting the value of x in this polynomial, we have 2 into minus 2, okay, and plus 4. We know that 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4 and this is plus 4. Finally we get 0 as the remainder. Here the value of P minus 2 is equal to 0, so we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of 2x plus 4. This is the statement of final questions. So friends, according to this method you can check the given polynomial which is the factor of other polynomials or not. Okay, I hope you will be understand factor theorem and how can we use the factor theorem to simplify the questions which is in exercise 2.4. Okay, I hope you will be understand the factor theorem.